2020 बहुत सारे कारणों के कारण याद आने वाला है, जिसमें से एक सबसे बड़ा कारण है कोरोना वायरस पैंडेमिक का आउटब्रेक। काफी सारे शोज की शूटिंग हॉल्ट कर दी गई, काफी सारी मूवीज को ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म से शिफ्ट कर दिया गया। नाउ आफ्टर 4 months ऑफ लॉकडाउन, फाइनली जहां हम खुश हो रहे थे कि कुछ शोज वापस आने वाले हैं, वहीं काफी सारे एक्टर्स ऐसे भी हैं जिनको कोरोना वायरस पैंडेमिक के कारण सिर्फ अपना कैरेक्टर को एंड नहीं करवाना पड़ा है, लेकिन फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस भी फेस करने पड़े हैं। Take a look ahead at the video to know all those actors who landed into acute financial crisis during the COVID-19. Beginning up, we have Swaragini fame Nupur Alankar, who seeked financial aid for mother's hospitalization. Nupur has been a part of shows like Tantra, Swaragini, Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do, and many others, and she was facing financial issues. The actor lost all her savings in the PMC bank after it collapsed last year. Nupur hasn't recovered from her financial losses. Now her ailing mother needs immediate hospitalization, but due to lack of funds, the actress is unable to do so. Actress Renuka Sahane, who is friend of Nupur, took to Facebook and shared the account details of Nupur's mother and asked people to help her. About Nupur's condition, Renuka wrote on Facebook, Nupur has been taking care of her ailing mother with whatever income she has left. She was generating through acting and practicing alternate therapy. Due to the lockdown, that work has stopped. Her mother needs hospitalization, which is going to cost a lot. I'm sharing her mother's details and account details. Do donate whatever you can help. Trust me when I say that Nupur is the last person who would ask for help unless she was pushed to the brink. Later, Nupur also thanked Renuka for her gesture. Next on the list was Rajesh Kher. Rajesh, who played Shivangi's on-screen father in Begusarai, was in financial trouble. The actor also shared a video of his Facebook account a few days ago and requested his followers to help him financially. In the emotional post, Rajesh shared that he had been out of work for a long time, but the past 2-3 months have made his financial condition even worse. In this video, expressing his sorrows, he said, "Main jeena chahta hoon." Rajesh revealed that he has been living with his family in Mumbai for over a decade now, but wants to go back to Punjab, his hometown, and look for work there. The actor pleaded with people to contribute as much as they can so that will help him survive through the crisis. The fact that shootings are stalled due to lockdown, the actor isn't hopeful about getting work in the future also. The next actor would be Ashish Roy. Sasural Simar Ka actor got admitted to hospitals for dialysis on May 14th. However, he did not have enough money to pay for the hospital bills and wanted to get discharged. He told to a leading portal, "I was already facing a money crunch and the situation has worsened owing to the lockdown. I had savings of rupees 2 lakh which I spent during the first 2 days of being in the hospital. I can't continue staying here even if I were to die tomorrow." The actor also shared that his treatments require more money and he requested people on his social media to help him. He is now desperately looking for work to get back on his feet. His sister in Kolkata and some friends from the industry are helping him financially, but the amount is not at all enough for him to meet his medical expenses monthly. Suraj Thapar, his co-actor from Rishta Sahdadari Ka, told another leading portal, Ashish has been wanting to sell off his 2 BHK flat to take care of his medical expenses, but that's not easy in the current scenario and that will take a lot of time. Next being Zaan Khan. Hamari Bahu Silk actors are facing a lot of acute financial crisis during the COVID-19. Zaan Khan spoke to a leading portal about non-payment of his dues by the producers of the show. He had shared that they haven't received anything from the producers for the work they did, but will 7 to 8 months, and they have been waiting for the dues to be cleared since 2019 June. He shared, "We started shooting for the show in April and it went off air in May. The first payment for 15 days was made after 100 days. We were under the impression that they would clear the dues since the show was doing well. They gave me a check last year which bounced. When we started asking for money, they threatened us and even told us that we were free to take any action against them. उन्होंने कहा पुलिस के पास जाओ या कोर्ट में. They claim that they have to run into losses. We don't think that is true. They have received their money from the channel. So far we have got only 7% of our dues. We are helpless and we are trying our best. Don't know what to do in this particular situation." Chahat Pandey. Same is the case with the show's lead Chahat Pandey, who played the female lead in Hamari Bahu Silk. The actress revealed to a leading portal in an interview that she has only been given a month's payment and the producers are not willing to pay them more. She said, "Whatever savings I had from my previous shows, I exhausted them while working on Hamari Bahu Silk. During that time, I kept asking the producers to give me my hard-earned money, but they kept saying that the channel had not paid them. Things got out of hand for me as I had no money. I had to pay the rent of my house. The landlord kept asking me for money and I didn't have any. How long can anyone wait for their money? Ultimately, the landlord asked me to either give him the money or vacate the place. I had no other option and I went on to the producer's office and cried in front of them. I wept as I was feeling helpless. I pleaded in front of him to give me my money, but he did not pay me any heed and did not give me any money post my request also. Sonal Vengulekar, the actress, in a recent social media post revealed that she is not being paid by the producers of Ye Teri Galiyan and is trying to make her ends meet with great difficulty. And it is a makeup man, Pankaj, who actually offered her some money when she got in touch with him. Considering the actress is going through a financial crisis herself, she called Pankaj to see if he and his pregnant wife were okay. When he learned about Sonal was in major crisis, he offered 15,000 to her and asked her to pay it later during his wife's delivery. The actress was touched with his gesture and shared this on social media. Satish Kaul. Satish, who played the role of Lord Indra in B.R. Chopra's Mahabharat, suffered financially when his acting school shut shop. Things only got worse since then, and now the actor doesn't have enough money even for his basic requirements. I'm struggling for medicines, groceries and basic needs. I appeal to the industry people to help me. I got so much love as an actor, I need some attention now as a human in need. Satish Kaul also told to a leading portal, I'm staying in a small rented apartment in Ludhiana. I was staying in an old age home earlier, but then I'm here at this place with my good Samaritan, Satya Devi. My health is okay, I'm doing fine, but the lockdown has made matters worse. Actress Priti Sapru, who was in touch with him, informed about his condition to a leading portal. She said, he's completely dependent on others. He's broke. Had he been fine, he would have got work in daily soaps and Punjabi films, but unfortunately he had fallen around 3 years ago and hurt his backbone. He had to be operated immediately. Priti Sapru also said that he wants to return back to the old age home so that he has someone to attend to his health, who's going to look after him all the time. She also hopes that Indian Motion Picture Producers Association, that is IMPA, and other bodies step forward to help the actors. Manmeet Garewal. Manmeet, who rose to fame with television show Aadat Se Majboor, committed suicide on 15th of May due to financial crisis. The actor was under stress as he had loans to pay and no work. Whatever projects, web series and commercials he had were kept under hold due to lockdown, and this led him to go into depression. His wife has also revealed that the actor had plans to move out of the country to settle abroad, but everything was hindered due to the lockdown. Last but not the least, Vishali Thakkar. After Manmeet Garewal's suicide, Sasural Simar Ka actor Vishali Thakkar took it to her social media account and shared how she escaped from suffering the lockdown in Mumbai. She said that before it started, she returned to her home in Indore, as she said that she had exhausted all her savings. Vishali also revealed that the payment of her TV show Manmohini had also got delayed. Vishali revealed that she did not go to work for the most of 2019 except a film. The lean phase made her bank upon whatever savings she had, and now even that she has been spent. She requested channels and producers not to stop anyone's payment during such a stressful time. Well, it seems like not only the film industry and the TV industry is facing, but it seems that हमारे actors, हमारे leading and हमारे छोटे actors, our old actors are suffering because of the COVID-19 outbreak. A lot of producers have stopped their payments. A lot of actors have committed suicide because of depression and losses in financial condition, and that is going to no end right now. Even though TV shootings वापस begin हो चुकी हैं, we can only hope and request all the producers and the other people who have yet to clear out the dues of the actor to not hold back the money duly earned by these actors. Because we can only imagine what they might be going right now in such a financial crisis situation. You stay tuned to Telechocker for all the more updates for the Tele World. Know all about the Tele World by subscribing to Telechocker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.